Hello my dear friends, I am Rizwan Khan from our YouTube channel, Our Language School. In this video, I am going to teach you name of the month in Spanish. But before starting this video, I would like to say please do not forget to watch my previous video where I have taught name of the days of week. And I will give you link of that video below in description. And please always revise all my videos because revision is very important. One more thing, subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start. Our first month name is January. January in Spanish, Enero. 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 Next is February. February is Febrero. 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 Next is March. March in Spanish, Marzo. 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 Next is April. April is Abril. 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 Next is May. May in Spanish, Mayo. 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 Next is June. June is Junio. Junio. This is J, but in Spanish J sounds like who. So Junio. 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 Next is July. July is Julio. Julio. We cannot say Julio. It's Julio. Julio. Next is August. August is Agosto. 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 Next is September. September is Septiembre. 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 Next is October. October in Spanish, Octubre. 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 Next is November. November in Spanish, Noviembre. 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 Next is December. December is Diciembre. 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 So guys, repeat after me. Enero, Febrero, Marzo, Abril, Mayo, Junio, Julio, Agosto, Septiembre, Octubre, Noviembre, Diciembre. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video and comment below in description if you like this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next video.
Please, all my dear friends, do not forget to like my video because your like is a big motivation for me and I want to help so many people of the world for learning Hindi. So do not forget to share my video with your friends on WhatsApp and Facebook. Please don't forget to press red button to subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for getting notifications of my new uploaded videos.